In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front windshield wipers on your Nissan Armada. Located in the front windshield, let's get started. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and use a small flathead screwdriver. And in the case of these old ones, we're going to flip this out to unlock it. Now we can grab the arm, lift it up, and there's going to be another clip right over here that we're just going to squeeze to slide the wiper off. And here's the old one. When you do this, you want to make sure that you do not let this go hard onto the windshield because it could crack it. To install the new one, we can simply slide it in. Make sure you lock it in place and just give it a little tug to make sure that it's locked in. Next up, we want to make sure that we remove this cover. And now you can simply just let go of the windshield wiper. And to do the other side, you're going to be repeating the same process. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.